Hey guys, another beautiful Saturday. It's a cold one, as you can see there's some snow around. So I'm on my own today and I'm going to be using my only prime lens I have, my Sigma 16mm. I do have my Earth ND filter attached, the ND 2 to 400, because I may use car panning shots later and I want to like lower my aperture if I'm in shutter priority mode. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to go first. Do I want to go east or do I want to go west? This is the thing. I'm trying to figure out where to go. So I just want to get past this eyesore here because I don't have zoom, I can't get past it. So I'm just going to cross the road. I kind of like this. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, let's get one like this. We'll get one past the BMW as well. If we got down a bit, I'm a bit tight because I'm thinking about the crop as well. There you go. The difference with this prime lens, I love this lens, but because I don't have zoom, I now have to do a lot more walking to get to frame my shot basically. But yeah, that looks really cool with the smoke and all the light reflection from the sun. Let's see what else we can get because downtown is super busy right now, so much traffic. Okay, found another one here, kind of like this, with the black staircase. The car's a bit shit. Can I get one like this? Maybe I'll get one straight on. With the bins, nah. Not a fan because the bins are there. Alright, I got one shot. What is going on with the police today? So I don't get run over. Okay, I kind of like the light here. I want to move forward with it and get away from the power lines. Bloody power lines, man. Ooh, okay. I'll get away from the cone. That cone's in the way. Keep walking forward. Keep walking forward. I think we should be good here. Ooh, there you go. That's nice sky. Let's keep walking forward. I want to get on the corner. It might be nicer. Maybe. Since when was the post box here? Didn't even know that was there. Nice. Let's keep walking this way. Chance to do some car panning. I have to use my ND filter to drop the aperture 1/20, high speed shutter. Can we catch this Mercedes? Actually, why is it not moving there? There we go. Oh, that actually came out alright. Look at that. It's a shame the other car was in the way, but that actually came out lovely. Oh, do you know what? With the sun this way now, and there's an Audi coming now as well. Nice. I kind of like that. That was fun. That other car pulling in front, almost. Oh, do you know what? That came out nice. Ooh, I can't wait to see these on a proper screen because I can't see because it's so bright. Kind of found this alleyway here, which is, ooh, look at this. That looks absolutely amazing. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to drop the aperture all the way to 1.4 so we can see some of that bokeh. Well, I forgot to charge my backup module, my Action 2, so I might have to get my battery pack to charge it. But what I wanted to say is that if you don't have friends to shoot with, that's fine. This is dirty. What do you want? I'm set.
What is this for?
Just YouTube, just taking photos. Just type in Dimmy V. Yeah, D-I-M-M-Y-V. Drones and photography. Have you? No, I used to be. I don't stopped it now.
Where are you from?
England.
Manchester?
No, London. Well, yeah, that's my team. Sorry?
What is the video?
It's just photography, street walk basically. But I'm using the Sigma 16 today. I've done some other ones with a kit lens, my telephoto. So I've done a bunch of them. Usually it's been drone stuff, but it's been cold, right?
Yeah.
Have a good one, guys. Before I got distracted, what was I saying? So yeah, it's okay if you don't have friends to go with, just put some music in and just go around and shoot. Do I want to go in the corner? Maybe. Get a corner shot. That looks a little bit better. That's better. There you go. So yeah, it's just one of those days where go out for a walk. It's a Saturday. It's actually the long weekend. It is family day on Monday across the road. So it was a chance to get out, shoot. I've already filmed another video last night actually, my drone reactions video. So you can check that out here. So I'm just getting some exercise, getting some photos that I can share on Instagram. So it's like two birds with one stone. Just today I don't have a friend. It's just me, but I may put music in later. And I may stop off at the pub to charge this. Can I have a drink and then we can continue? Maybe let some light go down, because this lens in low light with the mist filter we should have in my bag is amazing. Okay, I think I got that without getting run over. Okay, if you are in Canada and you are going to go out and shoot photos, make sure you dress appropriately. So underneath my jeans, I actually do have like thermal leggings, whatever you call them here in Canada. I have a good pair of thick socks, good pair of boots from Palladium. That Mercedes looks sick, and it's so loud. Make sure you layer up. The more layers you have, the better. And then you have a good jacket. Make sure you look after yourself because it is brutal, especially with the wind chill. Oh, that's cold. That is very cold. Come on, I'm literally waiting for the shot. Nice. And if you move forward and then do a down, there you go. Finally. Not gonna lie, I'm a tad tipsy. I had 2 Guinness. I don't even know how long I spent in there, but it's low light. So I'm gonna take a few more shots because it's bloody freezing, and we'll go from there. Oh my god, it is brutal. Oh Jesus Christ, that is bloody cold. Okay, what's going on here?
It's -7 degrees outside.
Jesus Christ, -7. Oh, bloody hell. That can't be with the wind chill, it's way colder than that. Oh, Jesus. I like that one, that was good.
But I couldn't have known, you know? No.
I'm gonna have to call it a day soon because it's so cold and I can't feel my fingers.
No, I mean, is it still good or? Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Anything's coming? There is a streetcar coming. I'm gonna come this way. Typical. I mean, I kind of like the blurry Volkswagen. Whew. Alright guys, I'm calling it, that's it. My fingers are numb and I can't do it anymore, it's too cold. So, where am I looking? Here. Thanks for watching the video. I'm probably going to do some filters in the next one. I just actually ordered some on Amazon when I was at the pub having a couple of Guinness. So we'll cover those. I need to cover some videos, but that's all my lenses covered. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, follow for more drones, photography and everything in between. And I'll see you in the next video. And this view looks dope.